I've been working in Space Forge about 6 to 5 months. I am in part of electronics team, and I also work with the payload team. Because I work with 2 different teams most of the time, I don't really have a typical day. Sometimes I come in for a whole week, I'll do soldering work for every day. Sometimes I'll be downstairs in the manufacturing area with the payload team doing tests, automation, testing process. So my everyday is quite varied depending on what project I'm working on. The biggest and longest project I've been doing ever since I joined Space Forge was automating the test bench for the payload team, which I am still working on, is to automate the process. There's less human needed. You can just press a button and do other stuff while the test runs and acquire data. I'm excited for the future as a whole of Space Forge as our first big project comes to an end.